Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Eli Susanti as my lecturer in subject seminar. And my name is Dina Damayanti. I'm from English Education Department, the 7th semester. In this video is my presentation about my proposal. The title is An Analysis of Students' Ability in Using Punctuation in Narrative Text at the first semester of English Education Study Program in Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University academic year 2021 and 2022. Chapter 1 is Introduction. 1.1 Background of the problem. Language is very important in everyday life because language is a way for us to communicate with others. Without language, it will be difficult for us to understand the purpose other people words. Study 2006 states that language is a group of students with specific meanings and organized by grammatical rules. And the Brown in 1919 also defines language is a system arbitrary conventionals, vocals, written or gestural symbols that enable members of a given community to communicate intelligibly with one others. By using language, we can ask other people to do something, action or ideas, and can communicate each other about our plans in the future of experience. It can be said that language is needed by people to communication. As an international language, English is the only language used by each country to communicate with other nations. In Indonesia, English is foreign language to learn, and in schools, English is taught as a second language subject. In learning English, there are 4 skills, one of which is writing skills. Writing is an activity to express ideas and thoughts in the form of letters that are arranged into words and then into sentences. In writing, we must pay attention to correct punctuation. Punctuation is one important aspect in learning to write English. Punctuation marks give meaning to written words such as pauses and pitch change when speaking. This study aims to determine students' ability to use punctuation marks in narrative text and students' ability to place things correctly. Based on the competency standard in using punctuation marks, what is expected from 4th semester students in University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi is to be able to use punctuation well. However, in reality, the ability to use punctuation marks for 4th semester students at the University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi is still far from the existing competency standards. Researchers made observation and the results showed that Kota Bumi, Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University, was the only university in North Lampung Regency that had supporting facilities to support learning well. The available facilities on campus and help the learning process. Based on the description, the author writes the title is An Analysis of Students' Ability in Using Punctuation in Narrative Text at the first semester of English Education Study Program in Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University, academic year 2021 and 2022. 1.2 Focus of the problem. Based on the background and exciting problems, the researchers focus on the use of punctuation in narrative text. Therefore, the researchers wants to analyze the use of punctuation in narrative text. On the occasion, the researchers will conduct the research on the 4th semester students in Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University academic year 2021 and 2022. 1.3 Formulation of the problem. Based on the problem above, the researcher formulated the problem as how is the student's ability in using punctuation in narrative text? 1.4 Objective of the research. The objective of the research was to describe students' ability in using punctuation in narrative text. 1.5 Usage of the research. The research uses are 1. Theoretically, to provide information to students in using punctuation marks, with the hope is then students can improve their ability to use punctuation in their writing. And the second is practically, to provide to inform about students' ability to use punctuation marks in writing narrative text. Chapter 2 is theory review. 2.1 is theory about punctuation. Kane 2000 state all punctuation exists basically to help readers understand what you wish to say. It means that punctuation is sign that show what the appropriate expression with the sentence that have been built by the writer. And 2.2 theory about narrative text. Rebecca 2003 states narrative text is a text which relates a series of logically and chronologically relates events that are cause of experience by factor. She furthermore states that a key to comprehending and the narrative essence of plot, of theme, of character, and of events and how they relate. Chapter 3 is research methods. 3.1 is research design. The study uses a qualitative approach. The design of the research is descriptive qualitative. Researchers have designed a study on students' ability to use punctuation marks in 4th semester students of English Education Study Program in Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University academic year 2021 and 2022. 3.2 The time and place of the research. The place for the research in University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi North Lampung, where the research will conduct research on the 4th semester students. Research will conduct research after the research permit is issued until the research process is incomplete. (3.3) The source of data. Researcher will take the data source from observation during the learning process, interview or statement of lecture as well as students. They document the results of student assignment and also use internet search to obtain information about the study to be analyzed. The search of students of the University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi in the report writing course. 3.4 The research instrument. The author made observation during the learning process, interview, lecture, and students. And the last one was the value documents. First, observation were made to find out condition of students when doing assignment. Second, interview, lecture, and students. The researcher would conduct an interview process with English lecturers would teach report writing course. As well as their students, this is done after the learning process is complete. Then the researcher will give some question as well as statement to be lecturer and students. (3.5) The data collecting technique. There are several collection techniques applied this study, namely observation, interview, and documentation to support the teaching and learning process. 3.6 The data analysis technique. Processing and analysis data. Descriptive analysis was carried out to describe the ability to use punctuation marks in descriptive text. After getting the data obtained in the study, the next thing to do is to process the collected data by analyzing the data. describe the data and drawing conclusions. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.